Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're zeroing in on a piece of home gym equipment that's making some noise, the VEVOR incline chest fly and rear delt fly machine.
Right.
It's got these, well, pretty big claims attached. We're talking $500 for something that supposedly replaces an entire upper body workout and handles 450 pounds, apparently with commercial-grade precision. So our mission today, let's unpack these claims, see how they stack up against, real user experience and the actual long-term value for you.
Yeah. And what's really fascinating here, I think, is how often expectations clash with reality, especially in the budget fitness market.
Exactly.
You see commercial grades slapped on a $500 machine, and you immediately have to ask, well, what does that actually mean at this price point? What are the trade-offs?
Right, so let's look at the features VEVO advertises. They mention things like silky smooth bearings, ergonomic handles,
Sounds good on paper.
and even clips for securing dumbbells. Seems pretty compelling, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But this is kind of where the user feedback starts to, well, pull back the curtain a bit.
That's exactly it. And the first big thing is that weight capacity. They advertise 450 pounds total.
Yeah, huge number.
But, and this is crucial, each arm only supports 220 pounds.
Ooh, okay. So not 450 per side.
No, definitely not. And for a lot of intermediate lifters, people getting serious about chest development, 220 pounds per arm is sort of the starting point for heavier flies. So that distinction, it's really critical for understanding its actual utility for you.
That makes sense.
I know VEVOR overall, they do have a decent rep online, a 4.4-star average on Trustpilot from over 2,500 reviews.
That's pretty good.
It is, but you also have to remember, especially with gym gear, a lot of reviews only pop up when something goes wrong. People don't always review stuff that just works as expected initially.
Good point. So that capacity issue is one thing. But what about the build itself? Does it feel like a machine, designed, as you might
Yeah.
say? Price point first, functionality second.
I think that's a fair assessment, and you see the implications pretty quickly. Take those silky smooth bearings. They might feel okay at first, but there are reports that they start developing this distinctive grinding sound, sometimes after just 6 months of regular use.
6 months, ouch.
Yeah. And then there's the assembly. It's not exactly plug and play.
No.
Users are saying it takes 2 people, maybe 3 hours.
3 hours. Wow.
And the instructions, they seem, let's say, poorly translated. One reviewer even mentioned having to drill new holes because the pre-drilled ones just didn't line up properly.
Oh, no. So definitely a bit of a weekend project, maybe a test for your patients, too.
Could be. And on top of that assembly headache, we're also hearing about the padding,
What about it?
showing significant wear and tear after only a few months.
So not just the bearings, then.
Nope. Which really highlights the main thing. The true test isn't day one out of the box. It's how it holds up after, say, a year of consistent training.
Right. And the warranty covers manufacturing defects, sure, but not just normal wear and tear, which sounds like it could be significant here.
Exactly. That's on you.
So knowing all this, the capacity, the bearings, the assembly, the padding,
Yeah.
what's the real takeaway for someone thinking about buying this?
Okay, so the bottom line is this. For $500, will this machine let you do chest flies and rear delt flies? Yes, it will work,
Okay.
but you absolutely need to understand what you're getting. It's decent equipment at a budget price. It is not commercial quality at a discount price. That difference is key.
Gotcha. Budget reality versus marketing hype.
Precisely. So it might be perfectly fine for a beginner or if you have an immediate sort of basic need. But if you're serious about long-term training, you might run into these headaches down the line. It might be worth considering if investing a bit more upfront saves trouble later.
That distinction feels really important, managing expectations based on price versus claims of commercial quality.
Yeah,
You really need to align what you need with what this machine actually delivers.
absolutely. And maybe the final thought for anyone looking at budget gear, not just this machine, always think beyond that initial price tag. Consider those sometimes hidden costs,
Like what?
like durability, potential maintenance, maybe needing replacement parts sooner than you'd think. Factoring that stuff in helps you manage expectations and make a genuinely informed decision, not just an impulsive buy based on a low price.